this is too messy. Oh, where should I put it? Today I'm gonna make a one pencil holder. And it will make my desk neat and clean. And my mom will be happy. So let's start, friends. Now I'm gonna make Minions box. Open this cover. After that I'm putting right here. After that I'm gonna roll. Now I'm gonna roll. Wrap the paper like this. Hello. Ding. Ding. Sing both sides. My Minion pen holder is ready. It's ready. If there is a cover, then if I'm gonna put this out, then everything will just go in. Then I'm gonna put this cover. I also have a cover. Please subscribe, like, and share for more fun.